How to see who subscribed your YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see who subscribes your YouTube channel. It's quick and easy. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Chrome app on your phone and in the search bar simply type YouTube and tap on the link to open YouTube in your browser, not the app. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop down menu simply check the box next to desktop site, and this will load the desktop version of YouTube on your phone. And now once you have done that, simply tap on the profile icon, and after that from the drop down menu just tap on YouTube Studio. And now here, once you are inside the YouTube Studio, look for the subscriber icon or scroll down to find recent subscriber section, and there you will see list of people who are subscribed to your channel, and only those who have the subscription set to public will appear here. And that's it. Now you know how to check who subscribes your YouTube channel. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.